JMC. Hello, I decided I would vlog today, even though the 1 week I decided to vlog, my best friend's going to Texas. So I'm going to be on my own again, but just heading out the door. I have to go to Claremorris to Inspire Tiles to show them the new drawings and to get some new tile samples. And then I have to go to a couple of things on Westport, and then I'm going for lunch with Tara for the last time. It's awful dark. It is awful dark. Okay, that's better. So that's what I'm doing. So let's go. So I'm just about to head into Inspire Tiles in Claremorris now, just to pick up some tile samples and return the ones that I have because I need to get new ones. And also we're doing a very exciting project together, but I'll tell you that when I come back out. So let's go in and get these. I have to move. Look how gorgeous this one is, oh my goodness. The way you can feel the texture as well as absolutely stunning. Look at these tiles, oh my goodness, there's so many colours. That's beautiful. And then it comes in matted versions as well, like look how gorgeous that is. Look how fun you could be with it as well, there's so much creativity in tiles, it's crazy. I'm going to work, I'm going to hate this when I'm editing this later, but it's fine. So I'm just leaving Inspire Tiles now. I was a lot longer there than I planned to be. I was just waiting a long time to get the tile samples. That was it. But yeah, I'm excited. We're doing a really fun collaboration together. I'm helping them design their new showroom. Oh my god, wait till you see some of these bathrooms are actually insane. Oh my god, like insane. But how are you? Because I haven't spoken to you in literally months. Life has just been crazy, running business and all, and you know, being super successful and everything else. No, it's been fun. It's just been really fun learning experience. I'm launching an apparel line. If you don't already know yet, which is going up next week. So there's a lot of prep to do before next week. But yeah, I don't even want to think about that because that will just give me anxiety. So I don't want to think about that today. I'm just going to focus on my tasks that I have to do. I have to run to Castlebar to go to Irwin Interiors to pick up a sample book for one of my clients. Then I have to go to Westport for a design presentation, and then I have to go over to one of my other projects just to go over the tile samples for the bathroom, and then I have to go to Newport to pick up Tara because she's getting her hair done, and then we're going for lunch, and thank god because I'm absolutely starving. Hello, how are you? Let me just turn the brightness up. So I haven't vlogged me all day because it's been just absolutely mental. I'm running an hour behind on everything today because I was held up in the tile shop for so long. But basically I was on site there. I'll insert a clip here. I've just finished up on the other project, just going through the design and just taking some updated measurements. But the traffic lights are in green now, so I have to go again. So I'll talk to you later. Oh, well, you can be in it.
Oh.
So.
Hey guys!
This is Tara's last vlog
with a matcha!
Yeah.
Matcha!
From Apparel Kitchen.
Woo!
Cheers!
Tastes lovely!
It does taste pretty tasty, oh my goodness. Tara's going to Texas tomorrow!
Yeehaw!
Yeah, this is the last time, so I'm going to personally I'm going to personally vlog every week so she can keep up with my life while she's
Yeah,
away.
he's so lucky. I'm so lucky that I get to keep up with James' day-to-day life every week in a vlog. You are too.
Yeah, and just, yeah, so that's the reason why I'm vlogging again, is so Tara can keep up with my life. Because so when she comes back from Texas, she's gonna get a culture shock of what's happening. Oh my god, what's going on?
Culture shock. Who are you?
Yeah. What are you doing with James?
Who's James?
That's what we're doing.
Yeah.
I'm just going to drop Tara off now.
Say my goodbyes.
Yeah, super depressing, but it's fine, you know what?
He's coming over to visit me anyway, so it's fine. He's literally
Texas vlog!
Texas vlog coming soon!
Yeah!
Yeah! Sweet down!
Oh my god, that was awful.
Okay, good luck, Charlie.
Good luck, Charlie. XOXO. Oh my god, I almost went over to Okay, so I should probably say what I'm doing right now because I just kind of came home and went straight to work. So basically right now I'm just sending off an email to Sarah from We Make Good just to confirm the order quantities for the tote bag. Hello? To make sure that the orders are confirmed and what I think is getting made. But then to book in for the next stage of production. They hand make everything by hand and there's only 8 of them, so you have to kind of book in a few months in advance. So I'm just booking in for August because I also need to put on some lip balm because I use this one a lot. I go between this one and the one from Live Simply Apparel. Is that gonna focus? Yeah, this one looks. I go between this one and the one from Live Simply Apparel. That's what I want to have closest at the time. Both of them are fantastic. I do prefer the Live Simply Apparel one, but this one is great as well because it's bigger. Yeah, they're fantastic. So back to work. You might think this is absolutely crazy, but when it comes to my Instagram, I don't play it behind. So for my JMC Apparel page, I've already posted this one. Yesterday I posted this one, and then tomorrow is like kind of, this is like an image I found on Pinterest. I was supposed to go for lunch with Tara today, but we didn't get time, so I wasn't able to get a cute picture of me sitting at a restaurant with my tote bag, but we move on. So I have to edit that this evening to put that up tomorrow, and then this one is blank, there's nothing there. Oh sorry, where am I? Here, am I here? Yeah, this one here is blank because that's going to be a giveaway. And then next week then we have like more did you know kind of things, like just about the ethically sourced materials, organic cotton, the slow production everything like it that makes it good, because it's literally like if I was to describe my brand, it would be like if an angel was creating it because it's that good for the planet. And then this is like what's in my tote, so the day after we launch that will go up. The next ones then are really exciting. I love these ones, and these are like kind of like, you know, clip arty kind of ones, but this is kind of just showing the materials that are used in the bag, like 100% organic cotton, recycled materials used for the zip is made using recycled materials, our JMC little tag that goes inside, the actual tote itself, like the website image quality version of it so you can see it up close and personal. I want to do more things like that, but then I've was told it's super cringy, but I love little sayings and stuff, not like girl boss ones like building a brand, I'm always busy, kind of things like that, because that's what I want this brand to emulate. Working hard, we're achieving our goals, but looking good whilst doing it, you know? That's the vibe I want to go for, because, and also we're saving the planet whilst we're doing it. So this is the real I Don't Have Tara, which is really cool. It's Fashion Killer by A$AP Rocky and Rihanna. Actually, I'll show you now. You're getting like such an exclusive, it's actually crazy. So good, oh my goodness. This one is showing like behind the scenes of the bag getting made. I want to actually show the process of how it's made so you can see that it's literally not like made in a massive production company. It's literally just a small studio in Dublin that are making it. I know it's more expensive to get it done in a smaller company like that, but the end product is so much better because it's one person making it all. Like it's just exceptional. I want to do like on my Instagram to be like very customer curated, so when you buy an item from us and you style it and you wear it and you take a picture on it, I want to repost them all on my Instagram like once a week, like a carousel. We have some really cool like projects next year as well, and also JMC Studios is just like there's some really cool projects coming up for it as well, like really big ones, like game changing for me projects, life changing really projects, and I'm really excited about them, and I'm going to be hiring my first employee. So that's really exciting, but it's all very exciting. I'll check in with you in a bit when I finish my workday. So, see ya! Oh my god, finally I can click export. Oh, thank god for that. Oh my goodness, that took a lot longer than planned. It is, if you can see up there, 8:30. So it was a bit longer than I planned to do that, but here we are. It's finished. I'll give you a sneak peek. How does JMC use his tote? Well, I'm glad you asked. I start off by loading everything into it for my day because, you know, I carry a lot. I'm an interior designer. I have a lot of samples, notebooks, everything. Oh my god, it's actually, a lot goes into this bag. And then I hit the... And that's all you're going to get to see until now. So you have to check back into my Instagram to see the finished result.